I thank my Colorado colleague for yielding, Mr. Speaker. I'm sort of troubled that we're here this afternoon. Americans are still facing staggering unemployment rates, and our economy has not yet fully recovered. But instead of focusing on job creation, we're wasting 2 days and taxpayer dollars on a resolution directing committees to conduct oversight on government regulations. And now I've been a member of Congress for over a decade, and I know that committees already do oversight on government regulations. Without prompting, a well-run committee will make sure the government's regulations are necessary and effective at protecting American people. In fact, the Energy and Commerce Committee, under the leadership of Henry Waxman in the last Congress, did just that. Our committee conducted oversight on the failures that led to the BP oil spill in the Gulf and the reckless Wall Street behaviors that caused a near meltdown of our economy. When insurance companies announced that they would pad their profits with huge rate increases on American families after they dropped individuals from coverage just because they got sick, it was our committee that stood up to them. I'm afraid, though, that in this new Congress, American families won't get that same kind of protection. Yesterday, our committee held a hearing on legislation that would insert the government into private decisions between a patient and her doctor. We also held a hearing on legislation that would put the interests of polluters ahead of the health of millions of Americans, including our children, our seniors, and the most vulnerable among us. That wasn't oversight to help create jobs to help the American people. It was just examples of promoting an extreme agenda that puts the public's health at risk. Mr. Speaker, instead of telling committees to do their jobs, we should be creating jobs for the American people, healthcare jobs, clean energy jobs, high-tech jobs, manufacturing jobs. This is America's top priority. This is what we should be talking about here on the House floor today. And I yield back.
Gentlelady's time.